Finally, after ang dami nag-request itong phone na ito being reviewed here in my channel, hawak na natin si Huawei Nova 10. Medyo nahirapan akong kumuha, no? Before I was able to review the Nova 10 Pro and the Nova 10 SE. Ito medyo rare siya. I'm not quite sure why, but finally it has arrived. So, alamin natin, no, what is the difference between this one and the Pro version, kung, well, marirecommend ko ba dito, or might as well get the Pro variant. Simulan natin. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel, Huawei Nova 10, and everything can download it from the app gallery. Typical Huawei box na Nova series. Buksan natin. So ang hawak nating color is the Provence color. I'm not quite sure kung tama ang basa ko o hindi, but for me, it's more of a purple color. So quickly, hilayin lang natin kanyang sleeve. Yun. Ganda, kanyang color. Purple color, Provence color, whatever you call it, masasabi ko ang ganda ng kanyang colorway dito sa phone na ito. And it's different from the Pro version. And kita natin, no, pag nailawan siya, medyo nagsishine siya. Oh. Ang ganda. But definitely, this is a fingerprint magnet. Ang kanyang kapal is exactly the same as the Nova 10 Pro. Check muna natin other things inside. SIM ejector tool, jelly case. Kambit natin. Looks nice. Halos wala nagbago, no? Kita natin pa rin ang ganda ng kanyang likod. Type-C charging cable. And of course, kanya 66 watts na Huawei supercharged na charging brick. Wala na. Focus tayo. So, pasyalin ko lang kayo dito sa phone na ito. Like I said kanina, is exactly the same sa Huawei Nova 10 Pro. Ang kanyang design is exactly the same. Ang thickness is exactly the same. Except ang kanyang star orbit ring dito sa likod is not color gold. Yun siguro ang distinction niya between the Pro and the non-Pro version. Sa ilalim, meron tayo loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, kanyang SIM tray. Quickly, sundutin ko lang. Kita natin there's two SIM card na kaya na support. Hindi niya support ang nano memory. On this side, ang kanyang power button and of course, volume rocker. Ang ganda, no? Kanyang power button, merong red na color dito. Sa babaw, noise cancelling mic and of course, the second loudspeaker. On the other side, clean na clean. Sa likod, it's being highlighted by the 50MP na RYB na sensor na camera. And sa harap, there's the 60MP na front-facing camera. Now, itong phone na ito, ang experience is quite nice and quite smooth. And this one is being powered by the EMUI 12. And everything, guys, sa kailangan ninyo, you can download it here sa app gallery. Just click install sa inyong mga favorite apps na gusto nyo i-download. And depende sa speed ng iyong internet, ang bilis ng pag-download. But sa installation, definitely it's fast. So, kita natin, installed na si Lazada app. And of course, guys, having a Google Play Store dito sa Huawei Nova 10 is also possible with Gbox. Just go to www.gboxlab.com and makita mo, guys, Gbox is already here. Naka-ported out ang aking Google Play Store and it's working seamlessly and perfectly. This time around, pwede na mag-install ng mga YouTube na app and some of the other apps na gusto kong gamitin na hindi gumagana before using the app gallery. And kita na, guys, YouTube is already ported out here. Just a quick look and gumagana na ang native na YouTube app. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G and it's a 6nm chip. Probably one of the rare few na times na Huawei doesn't use its Kirin na chip. So, check natin Antutu benchmark. This one was able to score roughly a 450,000 points. Not bad. And of course, breaking it down, ito ang score niya. So, checking ang score niya dito sa Wattles sa 3D Mark. It's also a very decent score. So, itong phone na ito packs in a 4,000 mAh of battery. Now, itong phone na ito packs in 4,000 mAh of battery and it can support 66 watts na Huawei Supercharge. Charging from 10 to 100 takes only just roughly 50 minutes or less. Depende, no? Sometimes it's a little bit lesser pa on my experience. But in an average, 50. And also, this one supports 5 watts na reverse wired charging. So, due to a smaller battery, kaya medyo magandang phone na ito, yung kanyang battery endurance is a little less than what I expect. Siyempre, pag 5,000 to, this could have been roughly 13 hours. But having a 11.5 hours na screen on time is not quite bad for a 4,000 mAh of battery. On an average day-to-day usage, kaya naman niya magtagal ng one whole day on normal usage like doing some socials, watching some videos, and playing some mild games. Itong phone na ito, meron din siya level 1 na wideband security level, meaning you can watch all of your favorite na online streaming videos dito in HD format. So, Netflix and other online streaming apps, kayang-kaya niya. Watching videos dito sa phone na ito, definitely it's delightful dahil sa kanyang display. This one having a 6.67-inch na OLED display, can display up to 1 billion colors, 120 Hz of screen refresh rate, HDR10 ang kanyang support, and of course 90% ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio. So definitely doon pa lang panalong-panalo na lana, and of course curved screen glass din pala siya. And by the way, shout out nga pala kay Queen Kim Dome Glass for having this phone installed dito sa aking doorstep with a curved screen na tempered glass ni T-Max. So kita natin guys, no, ang kanyang bezel sa gilid halos wala dahil sa kanyang curved screen, and ang bezel na sa ibabaw and sa ilalim is quite thin. The only thing na medyo sometimes nakakairita is medyo malaki ang kanyang punch hole dito. But watching videos dito, for me, honestly, I was able to enjoy dahil ang ganda ng resolution, the black is blacker, ang punchy ng kanang colors. Watching some of those Korean novelas dito is enjoyable. And of course, some videos, kahit dark videos, kayang-kaya nito. Enjoyable siya. Pagdating sa loudspeaker, I can say okay naman ka ng loudspeaker, malalakas naman ka ng loudspeaker. No problem when you're watching videos and especially playing games. Now, you can also easily connect to your super devices na nasa paligid mo, like buds, another phone, a laptop, and tablet ni Huawei. Just need to drag it out kung may connect. Then, of course, pull it in kung gusto mo siya i-connect. Well, ganun kasimple lang. Now, when it comes to gaming dito sa phone na ito, I was able to play the Call of Duty Mobile dito, and I can see na, okay, enjoyable naman tong game na ito dahil, well, Snapdragon 778G is definitely one performing na chip naman when it comes to gaming and playing the game. Wala naman naging problema, maganda ang aking viewing angle dito sa phone na ito, maganda ang resolution. The touch response is quite fast, okay din. I was able to, well, play quite some rounds dito sa phone na ito, and I was able to enjoy dito sa phone to. As of course, what I like is ang loudspeaker is quite okay. Now, checking some of my favorite socials dito sa Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and of course, Instagram dito, browsing is definitely smooth dahil sa kanyang 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. I like it. And lalo na, this has the curved screen edge, so definitely the viewing angle is nice. And swiping left and right dito sa phone na ito is definitely much smoother. Walang kanto. Now, for the moment na inaantay ko, this is the camera test dito sa Huawei Nova 10. And this one has a 50MP na RYYB na sensor. It has a aperture 1.9, 8MP na ultra-wide lens, 2MP na depth sensor. And it's one can shoot up to 4K na resolution, 30fps. Harap niya is a 60MP na aperture 2.4 na front-facing camera. Also can shoot up to 4K 30fps. So right now guys, gusto ko lang pasyalin kayo dito sa phone na ito, and definitely gusto natin quickly makita yung difference nito and the Pro variant. So well, honestly, ang hirap mag-distinguish but definitely ito maganda nga ng mga shots dito sa rear. I was able to take some really nice and decent shots dito sa phone na ito on the rear camera sa outdoors. Makita natin yung definition ng mga water droplets dito sa gumamela na ito is definitely very much visible. Ang ganda ng pagka-render nitong photo na ito. And taking some shots sa field, we can see na this is 1x and this is 2x. Malinaw naman siya, ang kanyang 2x na camera. Now, here's the fun part. Nilabas ko itong phone na ito sa Dapat Arcade and kumuha tayo ng mga shots sa mga Christmas decors. Makita natin, these shots are definitely nice, but definitely si 10 Pro will do this a lot better dahil sa kanyang super night mode. This one, okay, but I can say that the Pro version would have done it better. But for me, overall, ang kanyang mga shots dito is definitely okay. Given ang kanyang price point, of course, versus the Pro variant. This one is currently priced at 26,999 sa inyong favorite na Huawei official store sa Lazada and of course sa Shopee. I'll be linking it everything on the description below. Now, pagdating naman sa selfie, ang kanyang front camera is okay. But I expect a little bit more. Maybe siguro nauna ang Pro variant before itong non-Pro. So I was expecting something a bit more. Mas maganda yung pagka-separation ng subject and the background do sa Pro variant. But this one is definitely okay. I ain't complaining, but it could have been better. And taking some low light shots na selfie is okay din, but could have been better. So ang kanyang vlog mode, there's a lot of things that you can do here. Either use rear, front, rear, or front, rear, or picture in picture. So ginamit ko itong pick in pick. and we take in this video sa outdoors. Check it out. So guys, this is the camera of the Huawei Nova 10, and this is the non-pro version. And I can say that using this one to take in some vlog mode, it's pretty decent. I can say that the resolution is nice, and yeah, the color production is pretty decent as well. What do you think? Let me know on the comment section. So guys, nakita na natin ang performance nitong Huawei Nova 10. And I can say na, well, medyo mas okay pa rin ang Pro variant as compared to this one. But of course, if you're on a budget and you're okay with camera na hindi super duper ganun kaganda as compared sa Pro variant, this one is pretty much okay. I'm happy with this one dahil you have everything nice, the same almost kay Pro variant. Lalo na kanyang form factor, which for me is definitely the winning one. Ang nipis niya, ang gaan niya, and of course, curved screen yun ang display niya. For me, this one is a winner. So guys, if nakakuha nyo lang yung 13-month pay, if you were looking for a very nice camera, well, you can consider this one, si Huawei Nova 10. Kung saan mabibili ito, check it on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click nyo na rin bell icon para hindi nyo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. So ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?